in question 7 part 1 we are supposed to find the perimeter of the entire diagram. So in short, okay, perimeter, we can, to keep track of all the sides, right, we can break it down, WV, so perimeter WV plus WX plus XY plus YZ plus ZV. Okay, so if we look at the diagram, okay, we can make use of this triangle VYZ to find VZ and YZ. Okay, so to make use of this triangle, okay, 7 part 1, so we use in triangle VYZ. Okay, so we find them one by one. We can find YZ first. Okay, YZ, we know this angle is 46, so YZ is adjacent. Okay, VZ is hypotenuse, this is adjacent, and 88 is opposite to this 46 that is degrees that is given. Okay, so using our Tokaso to find YZ, YZ is adjacent and we know the opposite, so with A and O we use tangent, so tangent 46 degrees, okay, equals to opposite, which is 88 over YZ. So YZ, we can express it as 88 over tangent 46 degrees. Okay, so there's no need for us to get the exact value here first, because the objective is to find the perimeter. So this YZ is one of the sides that we have to find. Alright, and next we make use of the same triangle. We try to find this hypotenuse VZ. Okay, so VZ is hypotenuse. We use this 88 meters that is given. So opposite and hypotenuse, we use sine 46 degrees equals to opposite 88 over hypotenuse, which is VZ. Okay, so VZ equals to 88 over sine 46 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to highlight these two, okay, in the working, so that we know that later on when we find perimeter, these are the sides that we have to add them up. Okay, so next, okay, having find these two sides, what we can do, alright, another more straightforward side that we can find is WX. Okay, in this triangle VWX, triangle VWX or VXW. Okay, triangle VWX or VXW. So in this triangle, we know 154 meters is the hypotenuse because right angle is here. 154 is our hypotenuse. So to find WX, WX is adjacent to 63 degrees. So in triangle VXW, A and H we use cosine. Cosine 63 degrees equals to adjacent WX over 154, which is the hypotenuse. So WX will be expressed as 154 times cosine 63 degrees. Okay, so this we will need to use it later on as well when we find when we add up all the sides forming the perimeter of this diagram. So now we are left with only XY to find what is the value of. Okay, so now to find this side XY, there are a few ways. Okay, but one thing that we can use, one method we can use is Pythagoras theorem, because we look at this triangle VXY is a right angle triangle. Okay, we have a right angle here, so this is a right angle triangle, and we know this side is 88. So in order to find XY, we can find VX. Okay, we can find VX using triangle VXW. We can find VX using triangle VXW. 154 is the hypotenuse, so VX is opposite of 63 degrees. Okay, so we find Vx, then we use hypotenuse. Okay, Vx is hypotenuse of this triangle VXY, because this side is opposite of the right angle of triangle VXY, so hypotenuse of triangle VXY. So we use Pythagoras, we find Vx, then we use Pythagoras theorem to calculate what is xy. Okay, so to find Vx, we look at triangle VXW. Okay, VXW. So this side Vx is opposite of 63 in this triangle VXW. So opposite and hypotenuse, so sine 63 degree will be Vx, okay, over 154, which is the hypotenuse in this triangle VWX. So Vx will be equals to 154 sine 63 degrees. Okay, so you can use calculator to evaluate out the value, or you can leave it like this and then use it to calculate xy. So after we have found Vx, we can now look at triangle VXY. Okay, in triangle VXY, Vx is the hypotenuse, so we use Pythagoras theorem. Vx square equals to xy square plus vy square. Vy is 88, so Vx square is 154 sine 63 degrees whole thing square equals to xy square plus 88 square. Okay, so to find xy, we can square root. Okay, bring the 88 square over, so we can subtract. So 154 sine 63 degrees square minus 88 square. Alright, so xy, okay, we can leave it like this. Okay, later on then we use a calculator to calculate out all the values in the parameter. So this is what we need in the parameter. All these highlighted sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 154. So for parameter, okay, we add all these. 154 is the side that is given, plus yx, which is 88 over tangent 46 degrees, plus vz, which is 88 over sine 46 degrees, plus wx, which is 154 times cosine 63. Okay, and we add the last side here, xy, which is a square root of, because of our Pythagoras theorem, we will have a square root, 154 cosine, 154 sine 63. Okay, sine 63 degree square minus 88 square. Okay, so if we use our calculator, calculate all the values and add them up, we will get 536.50992. To express in 3 significant figures, okay, we start from the first digit, which is 5, so 536. Okay, 6 is the third significant figure, so to round off, we round decimal 5 up, so it becomes 537. Okay, 537 meters in 3SF. So this is our answer for the perimeter of the entire shape.